Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your Dasher account. Instead of just using a password, it requires a second verification step, such as a code from your phone or an Authenticator app. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, especially given the sensitive data, like bank details and earnings, handled by the Dasher app. Using 2FA can reduce breach risks by up to 99%. There are two primary ways to enable two-factor authentication on the DoorDash Dasher app: SMS Authentication and App Authenticator. First, open the Dasher app and navigate to Menu, then Account, then Security. Next, select Enable Two-Step Verification in the Security settings. For SMS authentication, choose SMS, enter your phone number, and you'll receive a verification code via text message. Alternatively, choose App Authenticator and scan the QR code using an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Finally, enter the generated code to verify your setup and complete the process. Remember, app authenticators are generally more secure than SMS-based verification.